What I want to show you is the first startup of this rebuilt Briggs Stratton motor. It's a 1960 vintage. There's a casting date inside the main engine that says January 7th, 1960. This motor went in a Country Squire tractor, which is a garden tractor, but it's got about 36-inch rear wheels, so it's a real tractor. This is the old style cast iron Briggs Stratton motor, single cylinder, 9 horsepower, flathead design with a magneto carburetor, points, and then it on one end has the automotive style clutch, which will be the drive for the tractor. It's got a flywheel, pressure plate and disc, and that lever there is a foot pedal for the clutch. It has a combination starter generator. It's a 12-volt system, and that acts both as a generator and as a starter. Then on the other side, it has a power takeoff for the tractor. And this has been rebuilt, but it probably hasn't run in more than 10 years. The crank, the rods, the bearings, the piston, they were all good. The head had a stripped spark plug hole. We had to fix that. Had to replace an exhaust valve and do a valve job on the intake valve. New magneto, armature and rotor and the coil. New wiring. The tin was all rusted out, so that's been replaced. And tried to rebuild the carburetor, but that was a disaster, so we've got a cheap Chinese replacement carburetor there. And this will be the first time that we've started it up since it's been rebuilt, first time in many years. But it's a 1960 Briggs Stratton cast iron single cylinder motor. Must weigh over 200 pounds. So here goes. I'm going to try and set this up and see if we can get it going here. Anyway, here goes. How about that? Even the stop button works. Well, there we are.